command. So for at lines are going. Hello everyone, very good morning, and in this session we are going to learn about at line selection and at user command. We are going to see what's the difference between at line selection and at user command. So for at line selection, this works with the standard, a standard output screen. That means there should be no custom PF status, no custom PF status. So PF status basically we use for the purpose of defining the back, exit, cancel, for that purpose. So this is the whatever here like back, cancel, exit, this is coming due to the PF status. Okay, so if you don't define your own PF status, the standard PF status takes place, and if a standard PF status is there, then at line selection event is going to work. I will show you that. Okay, and at user command works with the custom PF status. Okay, so let me quickly show you how it's going to work with the standard PF status. Let's close this, and now okay, I was creating one custom PF status. Once again I will create, let me just save it and I will show you. Run this particular program, comment this custom PF status at this moment, just activate this, run this one, and here ROH, just run this. And I'm just going to click on material called 114. It is having two plant, double click over here, and two plant is displaying, right, with the two plants. Again, double click on this and it will give you the corresponding description of that particular material. So this is an interactive report, right? So if you go and put the breakpoint on at line selection, it will stop. Why it will stop? Because currently the standard PF status is there in the place. There is no custom PF status. You can see that I have commented this. All right, just run this one and ROH, run this. And if you search again 114 and double click over there or anywhere on any line, if you click, that will get triggered. All right, you can see that at line selection is getting triggered. All right, and there the extra logic, all those things we have discussed in the previous classes, go through that videos, and you will understand how it will work. So here I'm using the stylisal technique, and based upon that it's getting the data and it's displaying. However, hide and get cursor technique is the most widely and most popular technique. Fine. Now you can see that we have the standard PF status, and that is how it's working, right, with the at line selection. Whenever we are going to enable this set PF status, this custom one, okay, and click on this yes button, and in application toolbar just give some value, maybe choose or something like that. Just save this, and function code of course you'll have to define. Just save this one, choose, and icon name and all is maybe for the choosing purpose we can let's have that icon and choose to go to next level. Okay, and you can also use the function code, function key for assignment purpose. And for going back, heads, back, exit, cancel already we have defined, so that's fine. Activate this one. Make sure to have the name like this only, it will be good. It will match with your following the standard naming convention, right? And that is the practice what we follow generally. Activate this and just to go back. And now if you run this, let's see what happens. Okay, just run this one, and you just run it once again, and here double click. Now again I'm searching that particular 114 only. However, you can choose any value, just double click 114. See, I'm double clicking over here, but it's not triggering now. Why? Because I'm using the custom PF status, right? You can see that I'm using the this one, custom PF status, set PF status. Before displaying the data, generally we use the PF status. So On the screen where you want to create your own PFS status, that back, cancel, and all those things, just before that, you have to use the set PFS status so that that will take effect on that screen, right? So this is what actually we are doing. So this is the, so when you are going to use your PFS status, then how to use the interactive report. So for that purpose, what you will have to do, you have to use the @user command. Okay, this particular interactive event you will have to use. That's it. And other thing going to remain same. So now just run this one, and once again come here, just run this once again, and going to search that 114 only because it is having some two material. For other I don't have material, right? uh, uh, for other I don't have plants, so that's why I'm interested in 114. You can see that this time it got triggered, right? CND is now one coming, and now everything is working. So press F8 here, and again if you double click, again it's work. So that's the main point actually between the @line selection and @user command. When you are using @user command, that means make sure that you are using the custom PFS status. If you are using @line selection, this @line selection is going to work when your custom PFS status is not defined, then only it's going to work. Is it fine, Krishna? Did you understand?
Yes, sir, it's fine, but I have one
Mm.
doubt.
Yeah,
Uh,
please tell me. Mm.
if we enable this @user command,
Mm-hmm.
the standard buttons,
Yeah,
buttons with the
standard buttons, there will not be any impact of the standard button. For example, here, just run, and anything you choose, like I'm just going to choose over here. Just see, you can see there is no standard button, right? No standard button. Earlier, the standard button is coming differently. I will show you how earlier it was coming. So this is the previous one. See, this is our own with the custom PF status. And if you just remove this, how your standard will come. Let me show. Just
you didn't
see.
enable the line of selection, sir.
Yeah, here just you comment this, and this one, activate it once again, activate. Yeah, and now if you just see here, just run this. Here you can see that this button is coming now. This is the standard one. Okay, and there are other difference also, like if you observe carefully, see, this is the standard. Here if you observe, see, this is one, and other thing, here in the custom one, this is one important difference, right? You can see it, right? Other important difference over here, see, in the standard one, if you click on this back button, it's working properly. Let's go and check it out over here, and just enable this one and disable this. So ROH, and see here this. So here 14, just selecting the 14 and click on this. If you click that also, it will get trigger, either you click that one or double click, that is completely fine, right? Just go back, see here. And so @user command, like only the thing is that, when you are using the custom PFS status, you will have to use the @user command. Okay. Yeah, tell me another doubt which you are asking, Krishna.
Nothing, sir. It's clear. It's clear.
Okay, good. So what I will do, I will upload this one. Okay, and that particular video which was missing, it will be now there. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let me know, like if you face any other problem or anything like that, we can have the session, and I will do it at that time itself. Fine then. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.